Have you ever felt nervous ordering food in English? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll teach you how to order food like a native speaker, with the right words, phrases, and confidence. Stay till the end for a fun quiz to test your skills. Let's get started. Starting the order. When you enter a restaurant, the first thing you hear is, "Hi. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people?" How to respond like a native, "Hi. A table for two, please. We have a reservation under John. Here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink?" How to order drinks, "Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please. I'd like an iced coffee, please. Just water for now, thank you." Ordering food. Are you ready to order? How to order like a pro, "Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with a side of vegetables. Can I get a cheeseburger with fries, please? I'll have the pasta, but can you make it without cheese?" Tip: if you're unsure, say "What do you recommend?" or "What's your special today?" Special requests and modifications. Sometimes, you may want to customize your order. Here's how. Making changes to your order. "Can I have this without onions? Could you make it less spicy, please? Is it possible to get extra cheese?" Tip: use "could you" or "can I have" instead of "I don't" want to sound polite. Asking about the bill and payment. Would you like anything else? How to ask for the bill. "No, thank you. Can we have the check, please? Could I get the bill, please? How much is it in total?" Tip: in the US, it's common to tip 15 to 20% for good service. Quiz time. Now, let's test your skills. How would you order a sandwich and coffee politely? Comment below, and I'll check your answers. That's it for today. Now you can confidently order food in English like a native. Hit the like button, share this with friends, and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next video.